Hello, good afternoon everyone, and welcome once again to Sharif Technologies YouTube channel. As you all know what we've been doing here, in today's video we are going to look at a certain trick of which I'm going to show you how to remove the arrow signs or the arrows on the icons you have on your shortcuts here. When you have a shortcut icon on your desktop, you see that there is these arrows on them and it is somehow boring. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of them or how to remove them from your desktop with ease. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use a third-party software, and so I'm going to leave the link to it in the description of this video. You can just click on the link and download it. So after you click and download the file, you see something like this. This is the file here. So after you extract it, you see the extracted folder here. This is the extracted folder. Okay, let me just go through it step by step. So you click on the compressed file and you see, because I have already extracted, that is why they are showing all this. So after that, you still get this, and you can click on it to see the file. So you see that there are 4 files included here. The first one is blank .ico. You copy that file and then paste it into your C drive. Okay, so you can just go into your C drive and then paste the blank .ico file here, and then come back to where you have the other file stored. So you can see shortcut arrow icon dash remove here. So you double click on it to launch, and then you give it access, or click on this yes here, and then you can click on continue. After registering it, you can close this your file explorer, and then press Windows plus X and choose task manager, then open task manager. So in task manager you can see okay, and in task manager you scroll to the bottom and you see Windows Explorer. You can right click on it and then click on restart. Okay, after it has been restarted, you can close the task manager from here, and you can see that the icons which were the arrows which were on the icons here or the shortcuts here are now gone, and our goal is successfully achieved. So this is what I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are not a subscriber, and also like and then share this video for others to also benefit from the tip. And also, if you have anything in mind, any suggestion or a question, you can comment it down there, and I'll read and then get back to you. Meet you in my next video. Thank you.